to buy this month, this meme coin presale takes buy the dip movement to the next level. The meme coin market is buzzing as 2024 wraps up, bringing fresh opportunities for crypto enthusiasts to jump on the next big trend. While some projects struggle to maintain their footing, others are blazing trails with innovative features and strong community backing. From Popcat's cultural rise to Goatius Maximus' mythological charm, these coins are setting the stage for a meme coin renaissance. Among these standouts, BTFD Coin, BTFD, is stealing the spotlight. Combining the viral appeal of meme coins with actual utility, BTFD's presale has been nothing short of phenomenal. With staking rewards, play-to-earn gaming, and a referral program, BTFD Coin is proving that meme coins can offer more than just laughs. Let's explore the best new meme coins to buy this month and why they're worth your attention. 1. BTFD Coin, revolutionizing the meme coin space. BTFD Coin is turning heads with its record-breaking presale. Launched on November 26, 2024, the project has already raised over $4 million, selling more than 55 billion tokens to 5,600 plus holders. Starting at just $0.0004 per token, the price has climbed to $0.0013 in stage 12, with a projected listing price of $0.0006 when the presale concludes. The buzz around BTFD Coin isn't just about numbers, it's about what the token brings to the table. The beta version of its play-to-earn, P2E, game launched during stage 10, offering players a glimpse of what's to come. While the beta doesn't include rewards, the anticipation for the full launch is building. Add in a staking program that offers an incredible 90% AP and the Bull Squad referral program, which rewards users for expanding the community, and it's easy to see why BTFD is the talk of the town. BTFD's presale smashed through $1 million in under 10 days, then hit $2.5 million within 2 weeks. With only 4 stages left, the momentum is undeniable. Why did this coin make it to this list? BTFD Coin combines innovation, community, and utility, making it one of the best new meme coins to buy this month for anyone looking to capitalize on the next big thing in crypto. 2. Popcat, the viral sensation. Popcat has captured the internet's heart with its playful approach to crypto. Drawing inspiration from the viral cat meme, this project has built a strong community that loves its light-hearted yet impactful branding. Popcat has proven its staying power by delivering consistent growth and engaging its audience with community-driven initiatives. Its viral appeal has turned heads, but it's the coin's ability to maintain relevance in a crowded market that sets it apart. Why did this coin make it to this list? Popcat's blend of internet culture and community focus makes it a strong contender among the best new meme coins to buy this month. 3. Brett, the bold contender. Brett has carved out a unique space in the meme coin market with its unapologetic branding and loyal fanbase. The project's all-time high of $0.2342 reflects its ability to generate serious interest, and its integration into the base chain ecosystem adds to its appeal. Despite its volatility, Brett's strong community has kept it in the spotlight. Its unique approach to meme coin culture and bold marketing tactics make it a coin to watch. Why did this coin make it to this list? Brett's fearless branding and solid market presence make it a standout among the best new meme coins to buy this month. 4. Goatius Maximus, where mythology meets memes. Goatius Maximus brings a touch of mythology to the meme coin world, blending ancient themes with the playful chaos of crypto culture. The project's community-driven events and reward system have created an ecosystem that's as fun as it is engaging. With a strong focus on token burns and community rewards, Goatius Maximus offers more than just a meme, it's a movement. Its mythological branding has captured the imagination of investors, making it a favorite for those looking for something unique. Why did this coin make it to this list? Goatius Maximus' creative approach and active community make it a top pick for anyone seeking the best new meme coins to buy this month. 5. Peanut the Squirrel, making a statement. Peanut the Squirrel has proven that meme coins can also stand for something meaningful. Launched in honor of the late internet sensation Peanut, the coin has gained attention for its legal battle against Binance over intellectual property rights. Despite the controversy, Peanut's price has remained stable, and its community continues to rally around its unique narrative. The project's ability to combine activism with crypto makes it a standout in the meme coin space. Why did this coin make it to this list? Peanut the Squirrel's compelling story and strong community support make it one of the best new meme coins to buy this month. 6. Cat in a Dog's World, Flipping the Script. Cat in a Dog's World, Mew, challenges the dog-dominated meme coin space with its cheeky branding and strong fundamentals. Launched on the Solana blockchain, Mew has delivered an impressive 828.5% growth over the past 9 months, proving it's more than just a gimmick. MEW's unique narrative and innovative approach have attracted a diverse audience, from casual investors to serious traders. Its solid performance and growing community make it a token to watch. Why did this coin make it to this list? MEW's fresh take on meme coin culture and strong growth make it a no-brainer for the best new meme coins to buy this month. 7. Simon's Cat, the whisker-twitching contender. Simon's Cat taps into the charm of the beloved animated series, bringing a dose of nostalgia to the meme coin market. The project's focus on supporting animal welfare and engaging its community has made it a hit among fans of the show and crypto alike. With strong branding and a loyal following, Simon's Cat is a feel-good project that also offers serious potential. Its ability to combine fun with purpose sets it apart in a crowded field. Why did this coin make it to this list? Simon's Cat's heartwarming mission and solid market presence make it a top choice among the best new meme coins to buy this month. The final thoughts. The meme coin market is thriving, and these 7 projects are leading the charge. From BTFD Coin's innovative ecosystem to Peanut the Squirrel's meaningful narrative, each of these tokens offers something unique. Whether you're drawn to the playful charm of Popcat or the bold energy of Brett, there's a project here for everyone. If you're ready to dive into the world of meme coins, start with BTFD Coin. Its presale is moving fast, and the features it offers, staking, gaming, and community rewards, are second to none. Join the BTFD Coin presale now and secure your spot in the next big crypto movement.